Automate Excel like a Wall Street pro with AI formulas. Forget the caffeine-fueled all-nighters, the RSI-inducing mouse clicks, and the sheer existential dread when your spreadsheet, a Frankenstein's monster of tabs and volatile formulas, finally grinds to a halt, whimpering, not responding. The days of sacrificing your sanity to the spreadsheet gods are over. Welcome to the trading floor of the future, where artificial intelligence is your tireless, infinitely patient spreadsheet wrangling intern from the year 3000, and you're about to learn how to command it like a hedge fund titan, utterly formula-free. No more deciphering VLOOKUP incantations or debugging nested if-SUMIFs abominations. This is automation reimagined. The Nightmare Before Automation, a tragicomedy in 3 acts. Picture the scene. Act 1. Midnight, the glow of your monitor is the only light. You've spent hours manually pasting FX rates, consolidating sales reports from 14 different regions, each formatted uniquely, naturally, and dragging a fragile formula down 50,000 rows. Your finger trembles over the mouse. Click, drag, wait. The dreaded spinning beach ball of doom. A single tear, born of equal parts exhaustion and despair, splashes onto your numpad. This is the old way. It's slow, riddled with landmines, one missed cell drag, and suddenly your projected revenue funds a competitor's yacht party. In a criminal waste of a human brain capable of strategy, not data janitorial work. Enter the hero, Act 2, 9 a.m. Post-automation you stroll in, pajamas optional, confidence mandatory. You grab a coffee for flavor, not survival. You click a single beautiful button, refresh all. Like digital clockwork, your spreadsheets hum to life. Data streams in from Bloomberg, CRMs, messy CSV exports, even that dodgy supplier website. It cleans itself, organizes itself into pristine tables and dazzling charts. A polite notification pings, Sir/Ma'am, Q2 variance analysis and competitor liquidity assessment complete. Minor anomaly detected in APAC futures, flag for review. Coffee refill scheduled. You lean back, sip your brew, and ponder actual market-moving decisions. This isn't fantasy. It's the AI-powered pro-reality, and it lives inside Excel. Your formula-free AI arsenal. Point, click, dominate. How do you ditch the drudgery and embrace this glorious inefficiency? Forget complex macros or arcane formulas. This is intuitive, powerful, accessible automation. 1. Power Query, the data whisperer and janitor found under Get and Transform Data. Power Query is your gateway drug to automation bliss. Its superpower? Column from examples. This is pure AI magic. Need to 1. Extract a product SKU buried in a messy description. 2. Combine first underscore name and last underscore name into full underscore name. 3. Calculate a discount rate based on a cryptic loyalty tier code. 4. Identify and standardize inconsistent country names. USA, America. Simply type the desired result in the first few rows. Power Query's AI engine analyzes your examples, discerns the pattern, and instantly applies the correct transformation to the entire column. Poof! No wrestling with left, right, mid, find, or concatenate. It's like teaching a super intelligent parrot by demonstration. See this chaos? Make it look like this. Go! It also connects to virtually any data source, removes duplicates, fixes formatting, and merges datasets effortlessly. Pro move. Schedule refreshes to run while you sleep. Wake up to coffee and pristine data. Bliss. 2. Excel's built-in AI. The Insight Ninja. Stop manually hunting for patterns. Excel's analyze data, Payne, formerly Ideas, is your AI-powered junior analyst. One, select your data. Click the button. Instantly, AI surfaces key trends, outliers, patterns, and suggests insightful pivot tables and charts you might have missed. Notice sales peak every Thursday after lunch, or this product line's returns are 3x the average. Investigate. It shines a spotlight on the story hidden within your numbers, freeing you from endless scrolling and guesswork. No formulas, just intelligent observation. 3. Office scripts, the silent butler with a mic drop think macros, but reborn for the AI age, available in Excel Online/365. Need to format that daily risk report? Apply specific conditional formatting? Generate summary pivot tables? Hit record actions. Perform steps once like the boss you are. Office scripts writes the code silently in the background. Replay the script with one click whenever needed. 1. The AI edge. While the core is recording, the environment offers intelligent code suggestions. The real power comes when you combine it with 2. The mic drop moment. Pair Office scripts with Power Automate. See below. Imagine. Paste new trade data into Sheet 1. Instantly, an Office script triggers, formatting the data, refreshing a Power Query model, updating a dashboard pivot table, saving a PDF to SharePoint, and emailing your team, all without you lifting a finger after the initial paste. One action. Symphony of automation. Mic drop. 4. Power Automate, the grand orchestrator. This cloud maestro, part of Microsoft 365, connects Excel to everything and infuses workflows with AI. Create flows triggered by events. 1. When a new email with an invoice arrives. 2. At 8 a.m. every Monday. 3. When a new row is added to my CRM list. For the AI powerhouse, AI Builder. This is game-changing. Need to extract specific data, vendor, amount, due date, from an emailed PDF invoice. Pull sentiment from customer feedback emails. Recognize key terms in contracts. No manual retyping. No complex parsing formulas. AI Builder models automatically scan the document, extract the structured data, and feed it directly into your Excel sheet or next workflow step. When an invoice email arrives, extract data via AI, add it to my Excel tracker, file the PDF, and notify accounts payable on Teams. Boom! Your very own digital data extraction clerk. The pro mindset, from cell jockey to conductor. Adopting this isn't just about tools. It's a revolution in thinking. Excel as data hub, where clean, reliable data arrives automatically. Power Query. Excel as insight engine, where AI surfaces hidden patterns and predictions. Analyze data, forecasting. Excel as action trigger, where data initiates real-world processes. Office scripts plus Power Automate. You move from manipulating cells to orchestrating intelligence. The hilarious payoff. Why your future self is sipping coffee and laughing. The benefits extend far beyond saved hours. Fewer Olama moments. Automated workflows drastically reduce human error. Your P&L now funds your adventures, not accidental Peruvian livestock investments. From grunt to guru, ditch data entry. Focus on analysis, strategy, and high-impact decisions. The stuff that gets you noticed and paid. The casual flex. Oh, the system auto-flagged that and pinged compliance an hour ago. Watch eyebrows raise. You're the unflappable automation guru, not the spreadsheet stress ball. Comedic relief. The sheer absurdity of your former manual struggles becomes legendary. Remember when I manually reconciled those 20 bank feeds? What was I, a medieval scribe? Sips latte as AI reconciles in seconds. Reclaim your life. Those saved hours? Learn blockchain. Master Python. Nulp. Stare strategically out the window. The world, or at least your sofa, is yours. Your first trades on the automation exchange. 1. Target the pain. What spreadsheet task makes you want to eat your laptop? Start there. Data cleaning. Report generation. 2. Conquer Power Query. Tackle one messy data import. Use get data and play with column from examples. Feel the magic. Schedule it. 3. Summon the Insight Ninja. Select any dataset. Click Analyze Data. Be surprised. 4. Script a simple win. Record a repetitive formatting task with Office scripts. Run it. Feel powerful. 5. Orchestrate something small. Build a Power Automate flow. When I get an email with report in the subject, save the attachment to my OneDrive. Witness the connection. The bottom line, automate or evaporate. The relentless pace of finance demands more than manual number crunching. Clinging to formula-laden spreadsheets is like bringing a slide rule to a quantum computer duel. Power Query, analyze data, Office scripts, and Power Automate, especially with AI Builder, are your weapons. They offer Wall Street pro-level automation, intelligent, connected, powerful, without requiring you to write a single formula. Stop being Excel's overworked mechanic. Become its visionary conductor. Unleash the AI intern. Automate relentlessly. Reclaim your time, your sanity, and your competitive edge. The future of Excel is intelligent, cloud-powered, and waiting for you to hit refresh. Now go forth and automate. Your coffee and your future self will thank you. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.